happy holidays, guys. I know we haven't vlogged in a hot minute.
London campus, and next to me is the lovely Anna, and she'll introduce herself.
Brilliant. Thank you. My name is Anna Ford.
Gentlemen, honoured guests and graduates. Good afternoon and welcome to our 25th anniversary celebration and certificate presentation. My name is Rakesh and I am the Director of Operations for Higher Education.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. What an amazing venue. As you can see, I'm incredibly old.
Brilliant, thank you very much, Michael. Now, please welcome the HM.
Juliana Pondita. Katrina Kase.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
Hi guys, it's been a while since we've vlogged, isn't it? Hi. It's been a hot minute.
And it's a cool day.
We're off to go and eat our belly full. Ready guys?
Let's do
boogie. Places. We're going to the famous Global.
Hello, my friend. Shalom, shalom.
Wow. So happy holidays, guys. I know we haven't vlogged in a hot minute. no fault of our own. We're just obviously busy with work and
life.
other commitments. But this is a joyous day, so we definitely have to vlog it.
Yes.
Well done to a third-time graduate. What? Not one, but two, but 3 times. Woo! Big up yourself, Prestige J. Yes, Prestige is a smart one, you know. She can dance.
Oh God, good.
She's not on the back of the class like some of us. She's at the front.
Don't talk so lie.
Because when I used to go to uni, I used to sleep. I'm gonna lie. It's by God's grace why I even fast. But big up you, Prestige. Very proud. Pussy has it. The white one.
Yeah.
Do you need it, man?
No man, it's cold man. Shit man. It's freezing.
Ready for your gloves, man?
Oh yeah, I forgot I bought gloves. Let me see if I can put it on before. Guys, it's so cold that I've got to before the light changes. Oh sugar, oh sugar. Can I make it? Can I make it? I haven't worn gloves in years. Don't change on me now. Don't. Oh,
You have to look when that start.
Ooh. Ooh. Don't change yet. Don't change yet. Okay. Wait. Yeah. The steering is so cold, guys. You couldn't believe it. Right. What way can we go to would be the quickest way?
Do you want a sat nav?
No, it's alright. Sat nav is.
You don't want a sat nav? You know the road?
Yeah. Like the back of my hands, I know this area very well.
So do they do then, my friend?
Right now we're passing through Edmonton.
Can't lie. Free surfing.
Wow!
The homeless people them right now.
Ooh, the sun.
Right now? Hey, the cold is cold, man. Yeah, like we're in the freezer right now. You know, I just want me freezer and just go sit down in there for a couple of minutes. I see your feet right now. It's an outside feeling. So if you're homeless, free surfing, you're putting out a prayer to fire.
It's too cold though, seriously. I don't know how the Canadians do it, the New Yorkers do it, because our cold don't even hit you lot's cold at all. Yeah, mommy? What are you whispering, saying? Which boys? I can't hear you.
We didn't see them, Mom.
Oh. Alright, love. But you're whispering, innit? What? Ooh, it is sunny but cold.
England sun is decoration, remember that.
Lovely people, my lovely flowers.
Unless it's summer, in the summer, hey, wild.
Don't make the
My lovely flowers again.
don't make the mistake of thinking you can wear full shorts and them something right now. What? They're telling you that catch cold. Hatchum.
I'm better 100% you still have some sick people out there. Some of them can't stand not getting attention, you know. I forget from attention, you know.
Mom, thanks for my gloves, love. This is amazing. I've got to keep these gloves in the car though, girls.
So you don't forget it. A lie?
Yeah. I think I need to start drinking more teas, you know? Come like a proper
Coffee?
Brit.
You want a cup of coffee, love?
I love my lattes.
You want a cup of latte, love?
That's what I love. Lattes. Coffee. The vanilla latte is amazing. Cappuccino is quite strong, isn't it?
Yeah, because right now,
You're charged.
yes.
Do you know which one's worse? The espressos.
Yeah.
If you drink espressos, yeah?
Just
I
know
don't know
you're
for
sleeping,
you.
man.
Coffee's not bad, you know, Prestige. Get on the wave.
Coffee?
Yeah, man. Coffee.
Yeah, go on, Trump, same time.
Throw it
Yeah.
up.
Apart from your 50 days, I'm trying. Every time you try, it's like...
I know here. I remember here.
Yeah.
We used to come from church.
Yeah.
And I wish we used to meet Ian as well.
Mm-hmm.
Alright?
Over that bus stop.
Over the next one.
Coffee is nice, Prestige. You have to make it the way you like it. Do you understand?
Sweet down the...
No sugar. I take no sugar in my coffee. Watch out. Hey, Mr. Man,
I'll honk you, you know.
I'll honk you. Beep.
You don't want to honk you, just say it.
Did you see how their people today?
Yes, man.
Asian persuasion. I felt like I was in New Delhi.
In Mumbai.
Listen to you, Tommy. There's a lot of them up here.
Yeah, I felt like I was in New Delhi. I was like, okay then, go off, do your thing, honey.
Lucky they never walk with some roti and curry.
But maybe he's gonna be there. They have food after.
But it's just not ready yet.
Yeah,
What,
man.
Preston, gonna go
Be a
full on
biryani.
belly?
I'll kill it biryani.
Biryani,
You know biryani, darling?
chicken kurma.
I like just go come downstairs.
Hong Kong pork. Got China.
You know what? I can get why people speed. Because when you're speeding, it feels nice, but you have to drive safe within the speed limit. But I get why people want to press gas. Because when you're whizzing past, you feel like
Especially if you play some music with
right, that gives you that
with
oomph.
vibes.
But you gotta be safe on the road, guys.
So enough it's not good to drive with like your bad friend them. They hype you up, charge you up and get in there.
Or don't drive when you're angry. Or emotional.
A lot of people die when you drive angry.
Yeah, because you'll do some mad stuff, like extremely silly things, man.
When you're angry, you don't think about safety.
I heard the Bible say you must be sober-minded. They're not just talking about alcohol, they're talking about literally just being alert.
Not
all
being
the time.
consumed by feelings.
Yeah. And not lean on your own understanding. That's what you need to do.
Uncle, what do you do, man? What is this one doing?
You should know it's your people then. In the presser.
We went to Birmingham one time, books.
Yeah, and you bought the Indian food.
One Chanadal.
It's actually quite nice though, wasn't it?
Beautiful.
Yeah. We should have been vlogging from them days.
Yeah, big time.
We used to go on all the holidays in Britain. We will still do.
You know what I'm saying, Kirk? Or some David, Kirk?
No more.
I hope you're all ready for the festivities. Enjoy your Christmas. Remember to pray, eat, and enjoy. Be safe. I'm definitely looking forward to Mum's rum cake.
Yes,
I'm making the decoration
Very
in there.
nice this year.
I'm looking forward to my curry.
I'm looking forward to my husband's cooking. Big up
Cheers.
Chef Tussie
In the building!
in the cut. Chef Tussie. Mum's a baker. I've officially dubbed her a baker.
Wow.
Mum bakes in the household. Tussie is big chef. I'm little chef. Now I'm princess chef,
That's fine.
You're mac and cheese chef.
Yes, I'm the mac and cheese girl.
And coleslaw.
And coleslaw.
She's a salad
I'm the
girl.
sides. I'm the sides girl. I do all the sides.
Yeah.
Tussie's the main chef,
Yes.
and Mum's the baker. That's it.
And then I'm the master chef. Remember that?
Mum, no. Master chef.
Overall.
If you were cooking in the kitchen more often, maybe. Listen, I think the other day Mum went to cook.
Oh my
I'm sure
days.
Mum was crying in her heart, like, oh, what did Mummy cook? I think I was crying. What was that? I don't know what she was in the kitchen cooking. And people,
No. Oh, God, Russia so kind nice.
no, I'm saying you did cook it quick, but I'm saying you'd rather not cook.
Oh.
The kitchen is not your favourite place. Be honest, Prestige. Sometimes months go past, and Mum's not even in the kitchen. Sometimes months will go past before you cook dinner. Tell the truth.
Hey, you know me take a break. I told you over and over. Remember when you couldn't cook up so small? Who used to be cooking?
Yeah, but obviously I was small.
I'm
Then
not gonna do cooking.
you're not gonna let a child in the kitchen,
Right.
right?
So if
That's
I
a lie.
time now,
Unless you're not growing Jamaica.
Well, that's true.
And thing, now you get I mean to say I think going on.
I cook for me about 12.
Is it?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a good chef.
Yeah,
I
cook
can
very well.
fling it down if
Now
needs
before
be.
to say me here run the place.
Yeah.
So cook very
What's
well.
me? But yeah. I'm a good chef. I could throw it down, but as Mum says, when someone is, an exceptional chef, you don't really need to cook. Plus, Tussie cooks really quick. That's the thing. I kind of take not long, but I don't cook as quick as him, to be honest. Tussie can fling down a full
5-star.
meal in less than an hour. I don't know how he does
5-star.
it, but he's good. He's good.
And it is just the same as when you spend 6-7 hours
Yeah,
cooking the same meal.
yeah.
And I cook me just tell her cook no. Just like how me.
Mommy will fling up some.
Alright, that's alright.
Mum does things very quick. Very, very quick. I mean, I take my time. I take my time with things. You know, everyone does their thing differently. Yes.
But we're heading for the same results. That's it.
Right. But that's how they say, a dream team makes the dream work. What is what's it saying?
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream works. There you go. I think I make good drinks as well, like Guinness punch and stuff.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
Tussie?
Huh?
Tussie does so
You talking to me, love?
Yes, I am.
What are you saying?
I make a mean drinks as well, innit? Like Guinness punches and stuff.
Of course.
Don't be sarcastic.
Of course.
Go away.
Master.
Tussie believes he's the only chef up in this.
You can make us some plum juice, some June plum juice.
Back up, Tussie. I never even had plum juice.
June plum juice, why that just let me hydrate it like a EM.
You best to grate it. Best to grate it.
Grate it?
Yes.
With some ginger.
With some ginger.
A little bit of sugar.
Depends if who you are, yes. Some lemon zest.
Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time.
Cherry juice. You know about cherry juice?
No.
Where you squeeze the cherry?
Right, here we go.
Mrs. Coolers to the whole of them. Me personally never done them.
And me do them.
I didn't even know they have something in Jamaica named Ribena.
Ribena.
The little berries? Yeah.
I don't know about him to Mr. Coolers to talk about them.
But I think it's
As
the
a
wild
side
one.
of things, I think
Like,
people want to see you. Show it everything. Show everything people find who find how you find.
talk about that. One of my brethren, his mother do a mean, apparently his mother do a mean breadfruit juice.
I
Mean breadfruit
I
juice.
think that good.
I love her for drinking up breadfruit drink.
I tell
And she
him,
made it one time.
I tell
for me and
him if you drop one across
I would love to try it again.
and see if she do it justice. Because when you come America and talk about it, you know.
Oh, he's in England?
Yeah.
I thought you meant back home.
No. Big dark and gloomy.
What? Then
Yes.
you have too many months of dark and gloominess.
It doesn't matter, but if
And
it's like on a day like today that is that cold, it should be dark and gloomy. Alright, mum? And some possible snow.
Yeah, man.
But it's just bright and cold. Yeah. Kind of melt all the ice up on the North Pole and we get all the breeze off of it.
Oh my gosh, I found this guy on TikTok, yeah? He lives in Antarctica, the North Pole. Mummy? He went outside with just his pants on, right? And he was going to put on some sunscreen. When he squirted the sunscreen out, it instantly froze. And then he made another video and he flashed his towel to put on the floor. When he flashed the towel, it instantly froze. And then he did another video showing you how he layers his stuff.
And they eat frozen meat, innit?
Yeah.
He didn't show that bit, to be honest.
Yeah, they eat frozen meat. They don't even need to cook it.
Yeah.
Because you don't have taste.
But I made you watch it, and the people in Thailand, they every meet them come call it a bucket them. One chocolate.
But my thing is, why would you live there? It's not really livable, is it?
It is for them.
No, but this
It's whatever
guy,
gives you peace, innit?
he wasn't born there. He actually moved there. I guess so. Whatever floats his boat. But damn.
People move to the hottest countries. Some people move to the coldest countries.
True.
Some people move to a tropical place with no season. Some people move from these places. People move to these places. Life is always going back and forth.
Because there was this thing where he was saying the hottest day was -66.
Jesus.
The hottest day.
In summer.
That's their summer, yeah. The one day that the sun comes out just one day a year where he lives, and it was -66 degrees. And I was thinking, -66 is your hottest day. So what's your coldest?
Yeah, man. Hey, the people in my work are complaining. I said, you want to monitor? I can't do this one. It's too much leaves, sir. Every day we have to sweep all these leaves. I can't do it. I can't wait till the leaves are gone. I say, it's okay, auntie. Just give me a couple more weeks.
She wants to kill off the trees.
No, because I fall. So it's not even like summer when you know you get a day with like breezes blowing hard. I get a lot of leaves. It's just like all the leaves are falling off right now. So when at the morning when she come to work, that responsibility is hers and
Oh, she have to sweep it.
yeah, we have to so we get the leaf blower and blow them.
Oh.
And then they have to put them in like trash bag and put them in the bin.
Oh.
But Auntie says it's too much. Because it's not the only job in us. Remember, they have to store the whole day. And then they have to go outside and have the coal and clean
Oh,
up the leaves.
Jesus. Oh, no. Oh,
They have warm jacket, man. They have some big warm jackets.
no. Nana. We love Nana. Big up Nana from Morrison's. I said to Nana yesterday, you're dressed sexy, come to work. That's why you're sick. Nana have her cleavage open. I zip up. Nana said, Nana, zip up. Zip up, Nana.
My dreadful Jesus juice.
No, my God. No.
Bloody hell, you talk about me?
And Tabino, he's not Tabino. I'll send a picture of the people and then you're going to problem.
Oh, so you look have finished now?
Done.
Finished?